Here's an update on the bullet trap. I added the names on the side for the kids. Leah put them together in her welding class, and she actually put them on there. I don't have all the kids on there yet, but that's the addition to the bullet trap. Anyway, the other thing about the bullet trap is we've been shooting it quite a bit. We've got pretty good penetration, I'd say, in around this cluster area where most of the mulch is. I didn't fill up this thing entirely with the rubber mulch, and today we had a couple shots that are high, right up here, and down these two are above where the mulch is, and you can see that the 45 ACP at about 10 yards or so, we started getting, the couple came through because there's no mulch there. So you see, that's pretty much the way it works. So it works really well with the mulch, and no penetration at the bottom. You can see down there, there's nothing down there. So it very, very effective, and I would say for a 45 ACP or below, you really have good likelihood of catching most of the shells. I mean the bullets. Anyway, have a good night.